Hey guys, Zone here, and I have 4 new Lego sets for you. I don't have time to record, but I will say, so this took me about maybe 10 or 15 minutes. This took me about maybe 30 minutes. This took me a whole 50 minutes. And this took me about an hour. So yeah, I'm just saying that I have new Lego sets, and I will be recording them tomorrow. I'm really tired. My aunt came in today, but I will record for you guys tomorrow. I'm really tired, so yeah, I think I'm gonna do the Star Wars ones and then the creator ones. But yeah, so that's all I have for today's video, and bye.